A temple complex in a gorge by Makarand Joshi. Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to paint a mountainscape, a temple in a gorge. This is one among my many tutorials on how to paint a landscape using watercolors. With our drawing done, we are all set to start painting. We start with ultramarine blue in the mountain and the sky. Note that the surface is already wet. After yellow ochre, it is sap green. Now while painting these areas, I'm also thinking simultaneously about the areas I have not yet painted in terms of texture, color and tone. As to how to paint them, there's a parallel process going on in my mind as to how to tackle those. Now Violet comes on the stage. Color gray. Area in the blue rectangle. I have changed the tones in the final outcome. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.